Dennis actually sent me a new piece to check out, and I'm very, very excited, so I can't wait to do that. His stuff is like unboxing ice. The only thing that stays consistent is the grind. Keep on grinding. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope every single one of you is doing absolutely fantastic. I am very, very excited for a couple of reasons. First off, thank each and every single one of you for the love you show me on this channel. And the amazing subscribers of this channel over on Instagram let me know that he truly appreciates not only this channel, but everything that I plan on bringing to the table as far as my online shop. I'm very excited to do that. I want to bring this to you guys and ask you a question. Are you guys excited about that online shop like this gentleman is? And if so, what would you guys like to see on it? Because he shared with me that he, as of late, has been more interested in silver jewelry. I know a lot of you guys are not necessarily interested too much in silver. Silver has a place in everybody's heart and in everybody's budget. I'm not saying anything that you guys don't already know. But a lot of people are very interested in gold more so. And that's, I don't think, a surprise to anybody. Nothing wrong with silver at all. It has an amazing price point. It does what it needs to do when you want to get noticed, when you want bling, especially when you're buying from somebody like Luke Zion, which actually we are going to be taking a look at very shortly. Dennis actually sent me a new piece to check out, and I'm very, very excited, so I can't wait to do that. His stuff is like unboxing ice. I'm telling you, it's like unboxing ice. So when you have silver like what he carries, quality stuff, I'm telling you, it is just, it's mind-blowing what silver can do for you. But I know a lot of you guys, again, are more interested in gold and things like that. So let me know if you guys are interested in the shop that I plan on coming out with very shortly. Hopefully we can get that up and running very soon. What would you guys like to see on there? I want to do my very best to give you guys the best bang for your buck quality merchandise that I can. So I'm very excited. Thank you guys again for all the support that you've been giving me both on Instagram and on YouTube. It means more than you know. But let's get into what Dennis sent me. Well, as I mentioned, Dennis sent me something, a gorgeous piece. This actually is a Miami Cuban link. Now, I took the scale out because when I picked this box up, I was shocked. I said to myself, wait a minute, what, did he send me 2 chains? I genuinely thought he might have sent me 2. But no, it's a Miami Cuban. It looks like it's probably about 5.5 or 6 millimeters. We're going to check that out. But take a look. You know what? Let me turn the light up, because I really want you guys to get the effect that I have over here, even though it'll never be the same as in person. Look at this. Look at this. Are you guys seeing this? Check this out. I'm doing this backwards, so it's a little difficult, but look at that. Do you see that ice? Do you see this ice? I am not kidding you. Look at this. It is absurd. And this is heavy, heavy, heavy. So that's why I have the scale out. I wanted you guys, I'm over here messing the camera up. I wanted you guys to check out how heavy this is. I'm curious myself to check out how heavy this is. It's phenomenal. So let's weigh this thing. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Heavy. And beautiful. Look at that. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm so happy to share this with you guys. The fact that this amazing man sends me this beautiful stuff to take a look at and share with you. It means so much. Dennis, thank you. Thank you for being the person who you are. Thank you for having the customer service that you have. And thank you for having the products that you have. So let's check this out. Do you hear that? So 50 grams. 50 grams. That's a really nice weight. Really nice weight. Absolutely beautiful. 50 grams. This thing is heavy. You guys might be able to see why some people get a real kick out of silver. It is, let me turn this light down a little bit. There we go. Sorry guys, this video is a little less professional, I guess, than usual. I just got back from like a 4-hour trip. I'm exhausted, but I had to do this review because I didn't get a chance to do it, and I was super excited to share this with you. Actually, let me check to see what millimeter this is. I don't want to be presumptuous. Again, I think it was I want to say this is probably a 5.5 or a 6. 6.1. 6.1 millimeters. Yep. 6.1. Dennis, thank you for sending me this absolutely gorgeous piece. Heavy. I can't even believe how heavy this is. This is only the 6. This is only the 6. I can't even, it felt like two chains in there. Absolutely gorgeous. The clasp is strong. The welds are great. And this is just an absolute beauty of a piece. Absolutely beautiful. Check that out. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I love this. Dennis, thank you so much, man. Thank you for shooting this over my way. It is much appreciated. Let's try this thing on. I love it. I love it. There we go with the camera again. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is a 20-inch. And that white is popping, popping, popping. I've mentioned to you guys in the past that his stuff is so clean. I don't know where he gets it, but it is so clean. The polish is insane. It looks like ice. It looks like you're wearing ice. Now, I know silver is known to tarnish, but I'm going to tell you my experience. None of his pieces have ever tarnished on me. None. I don't know about your experience. Let me know in the comments what your experience is with silver. But none of his pieces have ever tarnished on me. I'm not just saying that. And I don't wear them all the time. I do wear the dollar chain almost every single day, however. But the rest of the pieces that he sent me, I've never noticed them tarnishing ever. Not to say they won't, but I'm just telling you what it is. I don't know what it is. It's not plated, even though it looks like it. I mean, look at this. It looks like white gold. I remember the last time I wore one of his pieces out and people were looking at me left and right and I felt like a rock star. I remember telling you guys that in a video because that's my genuine experience. Take a look at this ice. It's just absolutely gorgeous. If you want to see me go ahead and make a video to show you from a distance what that looks like, let me know in the comments. Nobody asked me to do that, so I'm not just going to do it. But let me know in the comments what you think. If you guys want to see that from a distance, let me know. 20-inch, 6.1 or 6 millimeter Miami Cuban link. Absolutely gorgeous. Dennis, my man, thank you so much. I wanted to give a shout out also to Jaxxon, guys. Don't forget, starting at probably, 12 a.m., there's the pepper code, right? Finally, pepper became a code, so he's going to have that sale running for the next few days or so. So don't forget about that. I plan on probably purchasing something from him, 10% off, I think it was. So, hey, every little bit helps for sure. Not really sure what I'm going to get yet, but I am probably thinking about getting a rope of some sort. Very happy to say. It's been a long time coming, but hey, gold's been expensive lately, so you have to expect a little bit of a backlog sometimes. But yeah, very excited to do that. But keep in mind, he's got that 10% off code. Pepper, I believe that's what it was. Double check his last video just in case I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure I'm not wrong. Anyway, guys, what do you think about Luke Zion? What do you think about this fantastic chain that this gentleman has sent me? Absolutely gorgeous at the 20-inch mark. That's my sweet spot. I love the 20 inches. What's your favorite length? Let me know in the comments. I hope you all are doing well. Don't forget about that code. Don't forget to show Luke Zion, Dennis over at Luke Zion, a little bit of love in case you guys are looking for a gorgeous, something that looks like it's almost platinum, white gold, rhodium plated, whatever, even though it's just silver. Check his stuff out. I'm telling you, the guy's got quality. I don't understand why his silver has not tarnished on me. I don't understand it, but it stays looking shiny, it stays looking clean, and it stays looking gorgeous all the time. Dennis, my man, thank you so much for the love that you show to this channel, for the support that you show for this channel. Really do appreciate it. Talk soon, guys. Be safe, and I'll catch you all at the next video.